Hey, hi guys, this is Harsha, SAP MM Online Trainer. So in this session, I'm going to explain automatic account determination for the non-stock POs, so without material master. So which is called FIMM integration. So actually, we can configure OBYC settings by using the valuation class. So in this FIMM configuration, so the valuation class can be created and we can assign that valuation class to the account category reference. So I'm just going to OMSK to, yeah, so here we can create account category reference and here we can create a new valuation class and assign that account category reference. And in this section, we can assign that account category reference to our material type. So if we create any material with that material type and account category reference assignment, so we can get those valuation classes, and in the material accounting one view, so we can assign that valuation class. Okay, so based on that we can maintain the GL accounts in OBYC settings, but that process is for the stock POs. So in the PO there is a material available. So without material, how the GL account will be determined, then we will see. So first I'm going to create a purchase order. So without material, and yeah, H001 and purchase group and company code present. So without material, it is a service PO. The system requires account assignment category. So I'm going to take account assignment categories cost center K, and here I'm going to give the short text any, so service charges, and giving quantity and press center. So here giving the plant and press center. Yeah, so here order unit is barrel, press center. So here material group to be maintained manually in the purchase order. So I'm going to select material group 00104. So without material, there is one configuration to assign the valuation class to the material group. So based on that, that valuation class can be checked in the OBYC configuration settings, and then the GL account will be determined in the purchase order. So right now there is no assignment for this material group, so there is no configuration OBYC setting, so that's why the GL account is not being determined automatically. Okay, so first I'm going to open this configuration, so where we can check this material group and valuation class assignment. So SPRO and reference IMG, go to material management and purchasing, so material master, and here entry AIDs for items without a material master. So here we can assign valuation class to the material group. So based on this valuation class assignment, the settings, the GL account will be checked in the OBYC settings. So currently there is no settings, so that's why the GL account is not determined automatically. So which one I want to use? So the material group 00104. So here the valuation class is blank, and here the purchasing value key is also we can maintain, we can assign over here. So then the reminders will be updated in the purchase order as well. So I'm just going to drop down here. So these are the purchasing value keys available in the system. So we can use any purchasing value key. So currently I'm going to create a new valuation class. Okay, so now go to the T code. So OMSK, OMSK. So here going to valuation class and go to new entries. So I'm going to create a new valuation class. So HV11, and here no need to assign account category reference. So why? Because we are going to assign this valuation class to the material group. So there is we are not using this valuation class in any material master. So that's why we no need to assign account category reference. So the description we can give class. Okay, so just press enter and save this entry HP11 valuation class. Yeah. So now I'm going to that configuration entry AIDS without material master. So here I'm going to assign that new valuation class HP11 for this material group, and here also the purchasing value key I'm going to assign. So here 11 I'm going to assign. So now we can save it. Yeah. So now we have assigned the valuation class and purchasing value key to the material group. So now I'm going to the purchase order here. So the GL account to be assigned in the OBYC setting. So in the OBYC setting, there is one account modifier will be checked based on the account assignment category K. So I'm just going to open that account assignment category settings. So OME9. So I'm just selecting this K and go to details. So here the account modifier is VBR. So we have to maintain the setting in OBYC in the offsetting entry with account modifier VBR for this cost center to determine the GL account automatically. So now I'm going to maintain the OBYC settings. So in the offsetting entry with the account modifier VBR. So OBYC. So here the offsetting entry is GBB offsetting entry. So double click on GBB and INT is the chart of account. So here we have to maintain the new entry with account modifier VBR. Okay, so here it is valuation modifier. So valuation modifier is nothing but valuation grouping code. So for my plant, the valuation grouping code is blank. So now I'm going to check that setting as well. So I'm just going to the configuration path, SPRO and IMZ and material management and purchase, sorry, close this purchasing and go to the valuation and account my assignment and account determination. So account determination without widget. So group together valuation areas. So here my valuation area is H001. So currently it is blank. So that's why we have to maintain blank in the valuation modifier and the general modification. So here from account assignment category K, the general modifier is VBR. So I'm just open that yeah, account modifier and general modifier. So it is VBR. So I'm going to setting here and VBR, and here the new valuation class HP11. So go to the material group once and yeah, HP11 is the valuation class. And here I'm going to give the GL account for the debit, and credit also I'm giving same GL account 892000. So now I'm going to save these settings. Now it is done. So now I go to create a purchase order again without material. So ME21N and select this vendor and purchase of group and company code press enter. So here account assignment category is K and short text, PO quantity 2 and the material group and plant H001 press enter. So here the storage location. So when I press enter, so here the GL account has been determined automatically based on this material group and valuation class assignment. So that assignment will be check that valuation class, and then the GL account can be determined in from the OBYC settings. So now it is determined. Cost center I'm giving here. So here barrel. So when we post the goods receipt, then the service GL account will be updated to this number 892000. So the transaction key will be updated. So just check this entry, and there is no issue. And here also I want to show you that the purchasing value key entries as well. So go to delivery, and here first reminder and second reminder, third reminder has been updated from that purchase value key assignment. So here from 11. Okay, so now I'm going to save this PO. So like that, the GL account will be determined based on the material group for the service POs without material number. So now we can go to create a goods receipt. Then let's see whether the GL account will be posted or not. So now go to MyGo. Yeah, goods receipt and press enter. Okay, so it is not at release. So I'm just going to ME29N. Press enter. So change it. Yeah, go here and release strategy. Release it. Save it. Now create goods receipt. Go to MyGo and give that purchase order number. Press enter. Yeah. So now click on item OK and check post it. Then goods receipt document has been created. So now go to display and press enter. Then go to document info FI documents. So accounting documents is generated. So here it is a transaction key. KBS service account has been hit with that determined GL account 892000, and already the WRX entry is there. So that's why the GL account has been updated with 191100. So like that, without material master, the GL account will be determined in the purchase orders. Okay, thank you so much. So if you want to learn SAP MM online training, so please contact me. So 9177786409. So with real-time scenarios, I will clearly explain end to end. So then I will share those videos on daily basis, and I will support while you practicing as well. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.